Alright, so I should be live right now. Let me just open the chart. And I know I'm not on the MacBook right now, okay? I'm not on that right now. Bro, this day was so good, but in the same time I wouldn't have traded it. And I'm watching on the Dow. Right, so 1 hour time frame. Right, so what did I have inside of this? Oh, right here. 15M. Watching this. Not 15M, I got this volume imbalance. So this was my target. I also have a level of sell side here. Which we already took. Thank you very much. And I have this sell side here. That price is rallying. And if you think that, I mean, I did not record this, but I predicted this. But whatever. If you don't believe me, I don't need you to believe me. I didn't make my shisha yet. And it is already 218. So I don't think we will have much for charts. Let me do this. Let me make my markups exactly like I had on my laptop. Because, oh, it is so hard now to navigate on this thing. Oh my fucking god, it's so hard to navigate on this once you get the MacBook. So I had this breaker outline. I had this in very fair value gap. Bro, I remember all this shit. I had this in very fair value gap. Look at the bodies respecting that. I also have this new week opening gap in which we didn't trade in because we are very trendy. So if we're trending, price will not go back to the new week opening gap. So 3 drives pattern. We have this. And then we came back into this. Let me change that. Let me make this, I don't know, fucking red. Doesn't matter. Oh, my bad. Completely destroy this border. Right, in very fair value gap, and then this was the level that we were watching. And then I had this sell side in mind even before that. Like, I have a video in which I tried to do an entry, but then I closed the entry because, and by the way, look at this new week opening gap. I had a video in which I did an entry from this breaker, but I am disciplined, so I closed it. Like, I closed it right here. I said, no, fuck it. A demo trade, because I would not trade this day. But I had a demo trade, and I said, no, fuck it. I'm not trading this day. And I just closed it. A demo trade, like, even. Let me just screenshot this and put it on my stories. Story, but. Uh, 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 uh. So basically, what I did here. Where is it? Inverted, no, here. So I took this as a breaker. I should have taken this as a breaker. I'd take this because I thought the price was just trending, so I would have had the entry here. I had the stop loss here, and I have the recording, right? But I saw price coming up, and I said, bro, this is Thursday before NFP. You shouldn't trade. So I didn't trade. So right here, this was our level of sell side that we were watching. Sell side, and this is not after the fact. I literally saw this live, but I have the recording. I don't have to believe me again. I don't care. And I didn't even make the shisha, so let me make the shisha 5 to 10M. Alright, I'm gonna close my camera real quick. Let me do this real quick. Predicted this move. Right here. Alright, I'm gonna quit my mic right now. Right, I'm back, but not with the shisha. I'm waiting for the charcoals. I think they're named. All right, let me just give the live to everybody, and I'm gonna do a trade breakdown. Where's the live? How can I share this? And why am I not on the MacBook? Because my internet with a MacBook is sometimes glitchy. It's like it. Oh, I can't. I don't have Telegram on this anymore. I'm gonna send it on Discord and then I'm gonna send it to my Telegram groups from the Discord. Thinking. But yeah, until the Shisha comes, I'm gonna explain to you how I actually predicted like from and I have it on video. No, I don't have it on video, but I have the executions on my MacBook. I'm gonna show them because I took a demo trade into the New York launch to this new week opening gap right here. So we had, I also took a long from this, by the way, bullish order block into this. This was a -1 projection, like right here. Right here, I exited. I have it screenshotted, okay? But I exited it right there, and yeah, currently live on YouTube. We'll do a trade breakdown in 15M. All right. Tag everyone. I'm so used to the MacBook now and the Apple. Like, see, you see me like trying to close it from here. I'm so used to the Apple ecosystem right now. So what I had here was, I believe, one right here. I exited the long. I got out at break even here because I thought that the New York launch hour wanted this buy side and this. But it didn't, and then I saw this as a structure shift. I saw that price is running heavily. I waited patiently for this fair value gap here, took sell side. I had another target right here at between these targets. I don't have my account that I have logged in inside the MacBook. I'm gonna show you. I have screenshots on my Notion if those are good. I'm gonna show you right now, matter of fact. Okay, I'm gonna show you like people don't believe me, bro. 903. Uh, yep, right here. So these arrows are executions, right? I bought here inside this bullish order block, bought again here inside this fair value gap, and then I exited here. This is a take profit, and then I got out the break even here, and then I sold short. This was a short position with the stop loss above this. Exited here once, you can see it. Got another short here. Look at this precision. Exited here inside this 1 minute fair value gap. Here, because I thought that the New York launch will close. And we also took the sell side. Nasdaq didn't take the sell side, so I was thinking that we would see an S&P divergence and a run above this, but we did not see that. I had my stop loss here, but I closed the whole position here. It doesn't matter. Was just a demo trade, and then I predicted this on my MacBook. Breaker here. So basically, what I was telling you guys is that I got all this run here to this point, but again, when I joined the when I joined the charts here, I saw this fair value gap. I knew that we were trending. I knew that we were trending, so I did not expect a fake move to take this high, and also look at how we reacted from this new week opening gap. Therefore, this fair value gap should have been filled and all, and this fair value gap should have been filled, and then we should see a nice reaction to the downside from it. We saw that, and then we will see that the price is indeed very trending. So it is very trendy, I wouldn't say. And then we rallied down. Again, three dives pattern. What we see is that we see weakness in price. This is the only pattern we are going to use to identify weakness, because price goes up, then goes down, up and down again and up. And there you go. This is your shift bearishly. We see price going lower. And I should have waited for this breakdown for the shisha, but I'm just gonna do it now, and then we're gonna talk about what happens here. So I don't think we're gonna see much because this is the whole move that we saw in the last hour trading. But what we have right here is shift bearishly. We have a breaker because we took this high and then took the low. We have a premium discount area in which I'm gonna quickly put. So we have equilibrium and premium here. We also have a premium fair value gap in here, but we are more interested in this breaker. Price comes into it twice and then it rallies. Inverted fair value gap, as we close below it, we will use that as resistance, and this is outlined before everything happened, guys. Don't worry about it. Inverted fair value gap below. This is a level of volume balance on the 50-minute. Traded below that. Consequent encouragement. No, it is this candle slow. My mistake. Very short block here. Trading below it. Fair value gap. And then this is the sell side liquidity. So right here we shifted market structure. We went below for this inverted fair value gap right here. We're now going to take this high, but I believe this is the whole move that we saw in the last hour trading, so I'm not gonna try and predict something. And while I do that, let me just give my link to my Telegram group. All right. Live now. Trade breakdown in 10 minutes. So I'm gonna do this trade breakdown again because I'm waiting for people to join. I don't know how many of you are inside this live right now. A trade breakdown. It is not a trade I took, but you understand it. Took this high as I told you in very far back up. I'm not interested in anything right now. I'm interested in this. Like, where is that again? Here. Like, predicted this move to this new week opening gap, which is a new week opening gap from 7 weeks ago, guys. I think this is from 6 weeks ago, if I'm not mistaken. Like a long time ago. And look how price respected it nicely. I think this is 26th of February, new week opening. I'm not sure, but I know that I have it on my charts inside the MacBook. Let me see how many of you guys are watching. There should be people joining now. Bullish order block. See if Flies wants to reach into that, but I'm not interested in anything, so I'm not gonna talk about this. Okay, watching the XI. Gonna put the XI here too, so we're gonna split them and then put the XI here and this. Thank you very much. Right, so what we had here is 1 minute. We have this. Look at this fair value gap. Look at the bodies of the matter of fact, let me just put this like this. Look at the bodies of the candles. This week went only to the 25%. Bullish order block, price trade back into it. Now we're watching for these highs. These highs are relatively weakly, therefore this is a level buy side, but again, I don't care about what happens anymore. DXI, we can see that it goes below, so therefore we should see bullishness inside this. 35. I should see the price take this high in the next 5 minutes, if I'm correct, but okay. Right. So what we are going to do is do this. I did not take this trade. I took a trade here, but it was demo, so I don't know if you guys count that. I took a trade from this fair value gap again. Below this low is one how's that? One partial. Then another entry here, the consequent encouragement of this. Then we actually got out on partials here, here, and then here, and then I closed the whole trade here. So because I didn't think that price wants to go lower, because it was almost, because this trade was based on the New York lunch hour macros, so I'm not really familiar with that. So I just closed the whole trade, but it was them again. Right, so I should see price take this in the next 5 minutes, if I am correct. But I don't care about that, okay? We care about the breakdown. See? So we have this. I'm gonna do this breakdown, but let me just see what my shisha is doing. Let's see, because it's cooking out. Let me close this. All right, I'm back. I hope somebody joined. I'm not gonna watch the chat before I do the trade breakdown. Let me hit this up. Then I'll explain what I saw here. Okay. I'm just quickly reminding you I did not take any trade because today is watch this bullshit block, by the way. Let's see if we react from it. And watch this. I don't care about it. Come on. I'm gonna zoom in on this. And again. So why did I not take a trade first of all? If I knew this opportunity, STO, if you knew that, why didn't you take a trade? I did not take a trade because first of all, you have to be disciplined about everything in life. I'm talking about life, but you have to be disciplined in trading too. So if you know that the market is likely, it is 90%, 99% chance to be choppy, You will not trade because why do we think that this market is going to be choppy? Because tomorrow we have a big event which is NFP. Therefore, the market is going to create a liquidity for that big event. And in one case out of 99, this is going to be the market on a Thursday before NFP, okay? Most times you will get chopped up, you will get out of your trades immediately, but this was an exception. But I didn't care because listen, I outlined this move until the sell side from this point. I outlined it to this new company gap, but from this point right here in this fair value gap, okay? I did take a demo trade. I did not take a live trade because you have to be disciplined. I don't care that I missed this whole move. I don't care that I saw this happening live. I don't care that I saw this happening live. I did not take any trade on it. Okay? I do not care. I do not give a fuck because being disciplined on the long term pays off. Because this is an exception, guys. Like this day, a Thursday before NFP, to be this trending, to have this much opportunities, you'll not see that. So, am I supposed to be sad? Am I supposed to be fucking crying because I did not take any trade in this? Neither in this. I did take a demo trade, but demo trade don't fucking help you eat. So, right. So I'm gonna quickly explain to you what I saw here, but I don't have my charts annotated like I have on my laptop, and I don't use my laptop because it has some, it does some weird shit, like it randomly stops the internet sometimes. I'm gonna have that figured out, but I can also smoke shisha and watch the charts when I am on my PC. But yeah, so I first of all, I'm gonna tell you what I saw here in this, and why did I watch the price and actually took a demo trade from this, because demo trades are important, guys. If you trade some way on a demo and you just reset your account, which I've did lots of times, and that was a mistake. But if you just reset your account and you think, when I will be live, I won't take the trade, then you are just forging bad habits. Okay, so if you take a trade on a demo account, make sure you do the same protocols that you would do in a live account. So let's just get right into this trade breakdown. Let me hit this up real quick. Right, so what I saw here, I saw price coming in. This was a 5-minute bullish short block, if I remember, a bearish short block, if I remember correctly. So I saw price coming into this. By the way, I took a long from this bullish short block to this. I exited right at this high. I have the screenshot. I'm not gonna show it here anymore. I got out at break even here, and then I saw this as a bearish market structure shift because we went to this, and there's nothing wrong with switching your side when you're confident. So I was confident because I saw this. I saw this low being taken, fib from the low to the high, premium. I waited patiently for this. Like, fucking, I'm just gonna show it. Oh, and this works bad. Let me just. There you go. Long here. This is a long on TradingView. So if you trade on TradingView, this is a long, and this is a short. Like this is your take profit, and this is short. Because if you go out on a long here, you will want to exit here, so you will sell your buy position. All right. So I bought here. I bought here in this fair value gap, and then I sold here, and then put my stop loss to break even. I got a break even here, and then I saw this opportunity as a bearish structure shift here. Fair value gap inside the premium range, sold here, stop above here, took a partial here, took another short entry here. Like look at this precision, like right into this point, and then offloaded all my trades. So I took profits here, 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 and here because I thought the trade is going to go up, and I didn't want to see that. I just wanted to chill. Okay, so moving on. This is what I was showing you here, but let me see if this works now better. All right. So moving on what I saw here. Again, fair value gap, shorted again here, and then We see price coming taking this buy side, but did not take this and just went into the constant encouragement of it, which is the midpoint, and then we dropped lower heavily. And right here, drop below this new week opening gap, touched its constant encouragement, which is the midpoint, and then drop below fair value gap here. And this is why normally you will see a fake move at 13.30, right? So the fake move would have been to the downside in this case. But if we know that the market is going to trend like it does, the 30.30 is just going to be a continuation of the New York launch. So we have the fair value gap here. I did not outline this. I was not watching the charts here. Came back to the charts right here. Saw this three drives pattern. Drop below sell side. We're watching this breaker here because I like breaker entries. Also fair value gap here. Premium. We're gonna put fib. This is around equilibrium. This is premium. Premium breaker. Sell side here. Also we have sell side here, which we are going to target, but we had a level of volume imbalance, if I'm not mistaken. Bro, this screen is so big right now. I'm used to the laptop now. This screen is so big. I had this volume imbalance level in mind, and this was my quote unquote trade, because I did not trade this, because this is NFV. This is the day before NFV, right? You don't trade this because it is likely 99% is going to be choppy. This is the 1%, right? This day isn't supposed to be like this. Okay, you understand this? That this day isn't supposed to be that. By the way, I just observed something. Every time the 1555, 1545 comes into the market like this time, there's a level of sell side when we're bullish. There's a level of sell side taken, and then the price might go to this buy side or it will just consolidate. Okay, so pretty simple. And I'm gonna show you guys something real quick. Let me see first of all if there's somebody watching this. All right, there's somebody watching this. And let me see if I have my mic on. I have my mic on. There you go. I don't have it. Shit. I told you guys. Why was I so confident on this shorts? Why and this? First of all, we have this new week opening gap here, but why was I so confident on shorts? Right here onto this point, before Monday even opened, on the Outlooks group, inside the Romanian Outlooks group and the premium group, I told you guys in this point right here, this candle wasn't open. I told you guys we are going to go into this volume imbalance, which is also a new week opening gap. And then we're going to go lower into the week. What did we do, guys? What did we do? Look at this. Listen, don't trust me. Join the premium group and see that. Go, because you can go on Telegram. You can go back to read the old messages. Go and see that. I did a video outlook. Did not even do a text outlook. I did a video outlook saying that. You can go watch it. You can go watch that. Go watch that. Join the outlooks group and go watch that. And honestly, if this doesn't motivate you to truly learn trading, bro, somebody just asked me, oh, but can you make much money from this market? Bro, there's trillions of dollars traded every single day in these markets. And do you think that if you know what every single candle does, do you think that you will not make money in a $1 trillion market per day? Per day. Oh, that's forex, but indices too. Whatever. This is a big thing. And you think you're not gonna make money by literally, bro, I predicted this whole shit here. This whole shit. This whole rundown. This is the daily chart. The outlooks group, the Romanian and the normal outlooks groups, the normal outlooks group knows this shit. I told them about this shit. Let's watch Eurodollar because I said something about the Eurodollar too. Unfortunately, this is why I don't trade. This is why I don't trade forex anymore. Like I told about this. I told you guys about this level of sell side in the outlooks premium group about 2 weeks ago, and look at how shit this price action is. Like DXI, I told you guys about this level 2 here, but whatever. I told you guys about this volume imbalance. Look how we reacted from it. But I told you guys that we will take this price side. Euro dollar didn't take this. This is why I don't trade forex. Forex is shit right now. We did not even trade below. Like, what the fuck is this price action? But going back into our fucking beast S&P, isn't it fucking crazy to know the future in $1 trillion market per day? That, how does that sound? Does that sound like it makes money or not? And some goofy dude joined my chat 3 weeks ago in which I predicted the fucking whole move, like 50 handles move to the upside in the New York lunch. Some goofy dude just joined my chat and said, "But yeah, but how can you teach people how to make money if you don't have money?" First of all, I did not say that I don't have money. I did not say I'm rich. But if you listen, just think about it. If you can predict the price on $1 trillion market per day, do you think you'll make money or not? I'll leave that up to you. But yeah, going on into the 1 minute time frame again. Look at this. And by the way, guys, where did we trade? I'm sorry. Where did we trade? Yeah. Go back to the beginning of the live. I told you inverted fair value gap. Yes. Bullish order block. Yes, sir. Up. I told you guys about this order block. I was wrong. No, I didn't. I was. Look at the price coming to this fair value gap above this buy side, and then I just predicted this whole move to the downside and then this move to the upside. Honestly, I told you guys I didn't give a shit about this move at all. Like I told you from the beginning, so I will not say credit that I predicted this because I did not give a fuck about it, but I just predicted that move too. Watch this, by the way. I told you guys that at 15:45, like right here, I told you guys that the price has a tendency to take sell side and then either run to the upside or just consolidate. And what did we do again? Yeah, yeah. This is not me being arrogant. This is me like I'm I don't know. It's weird. It's a weird feeling. It is not arrogance. It's just knowing your shit. It's like you went like when you just go to school and you learn shit. I never did that. Fuck school. Um, and when you just know your shit, does that mean that you're arrogant? No, you just know your shit. I told you guys. I did a breakdown in this, and I told you guys watch this inverted fair value gap, boom, upside. Watch this bullish order block, consequent mid threshold right here, right at above. When below this sell side, traded above. If we closed above this, then we will look at this inverted fair value gap, traded back into it, and then boom. And this is not hindsight. This is not me speaking after the fact. I told you guys about this move, but I don't care about it because I care that you need to have the discipline to not trade in this day. Even though I saw this move to the downside from to this, I had this sell side, and I have a recording, guys. I closed it because I was undisciplined because I took a trade in this. I over no not over traded, but I shouldn't trade this day, and I traded demo. But that doesn't mean that it is fake, okay? Because you will adopt those habits in your live trading. So I said, no, fuck it, I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna close, and I closed the recording when we were above here. So like I took a trade from here, stop loss above this, and I I was profitable in this, but I didn't care about it because that was undisciplined for me, and I immediately closed the trade, closed the recording, and just watched the price how I was supposed to do it. Okay. So even though, guys, even though we had this big run, listen, if you would have traded this and you would have won, the next time the NFP week is going to come, you will get fucking destroyed because the NFP week is not going to be trendy like this. This is literally gambling. I'm sorry. This is literally gambling. Okay? This is this is luck. Like you're not gonna get this any other day when it's gonna be an NFP Thursday. You're not gonna get this. I'm sorry. You're just gonna get consolidation, like every sell side taken, every buy side taken, every sell side taken, every buy side taken. That's consolidation. All right. But we got lucky. Lucky predicting this move from here to this sell side. Lucky, I guess. Let me read the comments because this I don't have any comments. Are you going into ICT's interview? I don't have enough money for that, my G. Thanks, bro. Thanks for the comments. Are you going to ICT's interview? Nah. I don't have I don't have that much money to go into that interview. And I honestly I just have to keep grinding. I don't think he's going to do something. I mean he will close the mentorship at the end of November, so I will not have any chance to go on an interview with him after I make the big money, but I'm just gonna just study, alright? I'm just gonna study. Wait, is this my actual no? Okay. And by the way, look how price just went above this and then we drop below. I mentioned this like here. This is not arrogance. I don't like being arrogant, but look at this, okay? And then we went above this and then randomly we just went below it. I wonder why. But yeah. Mhm. If you have any questions to ask me, let me just open this. If you have any questions you got for me. I know it's Thursday night. Nobody's trading. It's NFP week also. Nobody's trading. Nobody cares about trading. I know. What broker do you use? IC markets. But that's sorry. I didn't smoke shisha in like a month. It's normal, so it's normal that I get these cuts. But if you're new in the live, I'm gonna do this breakdown again because this is hilarious to be honest. Because if I was just beginning, I would have been slapped by the market the next week or the next month when the NFP week is going to be again. Listen, why? Because again, I'm gonna tell you, this is the Thursday. Tomorrow we have the big event, NFP, and the market is going to create liquidity for that event. Therefore, the market is going to do what? To consolidate. But this is an exception. We have a big trending day before NFP. This is an exception. So if you did not know that, you would say, "Oh my God, that guy that taught me, that guy that taught me about not trading before the NFP is full of shit. Look, I just got to trade from here to fucking down here." Yeah, do that next week. Do that next month. You're gonna get fucked. This is why I demo traded this. I did not live trade it. I demo traded it. And that's a mistake too, because when you're demo trading, you are forging bad habits if you trade in these conditions. Okay? I demo traded it because I wanted to see how price moves into the New York launch because I wanted to learn a new macro, alright? So we have New York launch, we have an obvious sell side liquidity pool here. So therefore I believe that the market should go for this because in the New York launch, usually the market goes for a buy side or sell side that was profitable slash that is profitable in the market now. So and again, I'm gonna show the notion with the executions here. So I took a long here, bullish order block, another long here, exited right here in this high. And why? Because we had a projection from this to this, and the -1 projection was about here. Exited this, got out at break even here, and then entered the short here. This is demo, by the way. This is not live. Short here on this arrow. This is trading view trading. Okay. Stop loss above this. Partial here, another short here, partials here, 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 and then close the full trade here because I didn't bother sitting through this. I just wanted to watch price and not care about the outcome. Even though it's demo trading, again, you are forging bad habits if you just trade knowing that you're trading nothing, okay? And then I came back to the charts and let me just. I came back to the charts here, saw this three drives pattern, which means that we will see weakness in price because price tried 3 times to go above. And why do I care about this? And why do I take this pattern for the pattern's sake? I don't take this pattern for the pattern's sake. I take this because we are inside a macro. So we are at 1430. We see price rallying, premium breaker right here, fair value gap, and we see price rallying below this. We're watching this in fair value gap. Why do we watch that? Because we see that price closed below it. So therefore, the price is going to do what? Refer to it as a resistance level. So price should resist going higher above this. And we also have this fair value gap, but we are interested in this. Price reacts. Look at the bodies of the candles, by the way. No problem. That's probably random. And then we're going below. And then I outlined this move right here. I told you guys. Wait. I'm used to the MacBook commands now. I'm sorry. I told you guys about this price run here. Inverted fair value gap here, traded back again. Above here, bearish order block, bullish order block, mean threshold here going above, failing to go above because we are close to 1545. Trade the sell side when we were down here. I told you that I observed with my experience because I don't have 3 fucking decades of the experience. This is why I put quotes. I told you guys, usually when I see this, and look from where we react, by the way, usually when I see this, the price either runs for the buy side or just consolidates, right? And I told you guys about this level live. We traded above it, and then we did what? Come on, bro. Come on. But generally, don't trade these conditions, guys. Don't trade it. It is not worth it. So this is the daily range. Interesting. What was that? I think this was a new week opening gap. Traded beautifully inside that. Went below. Sell side taken. Just went below with fucking speed. Just went below the sell side, and then we are going back to this new week opening gap, which let's see where that is from. This is, guys, 8th of January 2023 new week opening gap, and the price is going to refer back to it. This is fucking crazy. Like, this is crazy. No, it's not even 8 weeks. It's 2 months ago. 2 months ago, guys. And the price is going to refer back to it. Where was this new week opening gap? 24th of February. If you go into the 1-minute chart, guys, the price is reacting from that new week opening gap from 24th of February. This is fucking nuts. As a student, this is fucking nuts. Like, look at this. And then we just rally away. Crazy, right? I fucking know it's crazy. But yeah, if you have any questions, I don't think there's somebody watching. But yeah. This is gonna talk because I know you guys watch this live after it happens. This is not normal to happen inside a Thursday before NFP. Do not trade. Still do not trade Thursdays and Fridays. And not even Wednesday New York PM session in an NFP week. This is an exception. Okay? This is exceptional. And while we are here, I'm gonna talk to you what the fuck just happened in the last 2 days, because it is fucking crazy. So out of nowhere, no, last week, because this shit happened for the last week. Let me tell you guys. For this last week, on the literally 1st of March, I caught something like a cold or something. I don't even know. It was so fucking weird, but it was not like a normal cold. It was something like I couldn't concentrate on anything. I couldn't concentrate on charts. And I also couldn't concentrate on fucking sleeping. So I could not even sleep, but I could not do anything. So I literally could not do anything. Going to the gym, no, I was just getting nauseous. Watching the charts, nauseous. Like, nauseous. And I wanted to, like, I couldn't do anything. Literally, I couldn't even sleep. So you can't sleep, you can't watch charts, you can't go to the gym. What the fuck are you doing? So what did I do? I stopped bitching around. I got my vitamins from healthy sources like vitamin C. I just ate straight up lemons, okay? And the power of the mind. I just told myself, I'm healthy, bro. This shit is not real. And boom. 2 days later, I'm a beast. It's like, come on, bro. Without any medicine, without nothing. Bro, I couldn't do anything. Like anything. I I couldn't sleep, I couldn't watch the charts, I couldn't go to the gym, I couldn't go outside because I would just got nauseous. I couldn't do anything. And 2 days later I'm fucking okay with no medicine. Just vitamins from healthy sources. Not even supplements. And I don't have anything against supplements, but yeah, if you're watching this afterwards, just no, don't trade NFP, even though you saw this. The next week is not gonna be the same. If you want to trade it and you want to just get wrecked and lose your account, then do it. If you don't, then don't trade it. Should I be fucking concerned that I did not take this trade from here onto this point? Because I had this point in my mind. Because it is a level of sell side on a 15M. Should I be disappointed? Should I cry? Get the fuck out, bro. Come on. You know why? You know why I'm not disappointed? You know why I don't care about this price move that went on? I predicted this, but you know why I don't care about it? Because I know this shit repeats every single fucking day. Maybe. Bro, I don't care about it. This shit repeats every single day. If I miss this opportunity, then I know that there's going to be an opportunity tomorrow. And tomorrow. And tomorrow. And tomorrow. Until the markets fucking close entirely. They're not gonna change the algorithms. Bro, it is just not going to happen, okay? Just because some people make money with this, some people know this, doesn't mean that the market is going to run out of liquidity. It is crazy, bro. Let me see if there's any comments. If not, then I'll close the stream. Already 51 minutes. What the fuck are you talking about? It's fucking crazy. I think I'm gonna close the stream, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you wanna watch this after everything, just watch it. It's gonna be live on YouTube, and I'll see you in the next stream or next video.